Friends, a new program starting today, May 1st, 2023, and it's being criticized that the new program punishes borrowers with high credit scores. Will higher credit score buyer really pay more? Let's find out. Is that true that they're penalizing higher credit score borrowers and they rewarding lower credit score guys? Let's find out. According to FHFA, higher credit score borrowers are not being charged more so that lower credit score borrowers can pay less, which is not true. The updated fees generally increase as credit scores decreases for any given level of down payment. So how are mortgage fees changing? That is the big question. It's giving everybody confused. Everybody is saying people with bad credit score rewarding versus people with higher credit score getting punished. Let's find out. Starting today, which is May 1st, 2023, a new schedule of upfront fees applies to mortgages backed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. The new fees will increase cost to borrowers overall by 0.04 percentage point. According to the FHFA, that means borrowers who would have paid a 6.5% APR under the old fees would pay 6.54% under the new laws. For example, if you have a score of 640 to 659 and make a 20% to 25% down payment, you now pay a fee equal to 2.25% of the loan balance. Before these changes, the same borrower paid a 3% fee. On a hypothetical $350,000 loan, there's a savings of $2,813 to be exact. A borrower with a higher credit score, let's say 740 to 759, would have paid a fee of only 0.5% on a loan with 80% loan to value, meaning 20% down. Under the new rules, that fee rises now to 0.875%. So it went from 0.5% to 0.875%. So it went up 0.375%. So on a $350,000 loan, that's an extra cost of $1,313 for people with better credit score, which is 740 to 759 in this case. So what about it? New mortgage fees, higher versus lower credit scores. So what is exactly going on? People are very confused. Some of them are upset, some of them are happy, so depending on their situation. So let's see. The fee gap is narrowing between some higher and lower score borrowers, but high score borrowers still pay less. In this example, a borrower with 20% down and a $350,000 mortgage pays a different fees based on credit score. In another example, if you have a score of 640, let's say you have a score of 640 to 659 and you borrow 70% to 75% of the home value, then you now pay a fee equal to 1.5% of the loan balance. Before these changes, the same borrower paid a 2.75% fee. So on a $350,000 loan, there's a savings of $4,375 that goes in favor of people with bad credit. A borrower with a higher credit score, let's say 740 to 759, would have paid a fee of just 0.25% on a loan with 75% loan to value. Under the new rules, that fee rises to 0.375%. So it went up 0.25% to 0.375, which is only 0.125 went up. On a $350,000 loan, that's an extra cost of $438. The takeaway, the bottom line, the borrower with a strong credit score still pays less in fees compared to the borrower with bad credit score. The reward for stellar credit, however, has narrowed for some borrowers. Does this mean I don't need to worry about my credit score, friends? Do you really think you want to have a bad credit and then you get away with it? No, don't do that. No, quite the opposite. Your credit score remains the most important drive of your mortgage rate. It's a driver of your mortgage rate. These new fees mean that some borrowers with high credit score get less of a break than in the past. So people with lower credit score getting a little bit better deal, people with higher credit score getting a little bit less of a better deal comparing to the last time fees. So the lowest fees on the new fee schedule still go to borrowers with high credit scores. However, for instance, in the scenario above, the new fee for borrowers with credit scores above 780 and making 25% down payment, the payment is zero. There is no fees for people with 780 FICO score and 25% down. So here is your answer. Bottom line is, depending on your credit score and down payment, the fees for taking a conventional loan have gotten a little worse than before. Ultimately, there isn't much of a borrower can do about the fees, and Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac loans remain the best deal for most. As a borrower, you are still rewarded for maintaining a high credit score and making a hefty down payment. That's it, my friend. I hope I explained you for the new fees. Enjoy your day. Until my next video, stay well. All the best.